In this video, we are going to take a look at 11 new drones and missiles that were unveiled by the UAE firm Edge Group at the Dubai Airshow in November 2023. These are some of the most advanced and innovative systems in the world, and they showcase the UAE's commitment to developing its own defense industry and capabilities. Let's get started. These are just some of the 11 new drones and missiles that Edge Group unveiled at the Dubai Airshow in November 2023. These systems demonstrate the UAE's ambition and innovation in the field of drone technology, and they are likely to attract a lot of interest and demand from both domestic and international customers. Edge Group is one of the leading defense companies in the Middle East, and it is constantly developing new and cutting-edge products for the modern battlefield. If you want to learn more about Edge Group and its products, you can visit their website or follow them on social media.